going on? Jimmy Cavadas here at the Nature Preserve in Jersey County, Illinois. Soaking wet. As I said before, it's 106 degrees. Right about where we're at down here at the bottomlands. It might be just a little less because it's mostly forested, of course, but it's shaded a lot. But up at the top where we started, you'll see that eventually, if we make it. But up there, yeah, 106 degrees. Maybe by now it's supposed to be 108. So you never know. I don't give a shit. You know, I mean, if it's going to be 108, what are you going to do? Curl up in a ball? I can understand, though, if you do. I come very close to that myself. Curling up in a ball, that is. Might have to change batteries soon. Do a little mopping before we get on the road. As always, you leave nothing behind. Leave only the memories that you leave with your spirit. Take everything with you. Everything. Even the air that you breathe. Take it with you. It does not belong here. Yeah, let me do this way because it's a little bit more self-sustaining. One last swig of hot water before we go. The life-sustaining water, even though it is hot, it is life-sustaining. Must have it. No exceptions. You either do or you don't, and if you don't, you die. If you die, I'm going to leave you behind because I'm going to live. Alright then. Save some for later. And then we should have a very good supply back at the pondee. Let's say goodbye to the bivouac from the Underground Railroad at Hop Hollow. Ouch! Something bit me on my leg. Dino DeVilla over here. Remember me? Just to prove I'm here again. Dino DeVilla here in Hop Hollow in the Nature Preserve. The Olin Nature Preserve. Watch out, it's hard to find even though it's 800 acres or so. But one side says it's 300. And you know what them signs are all about, right? Got it all ready to go. And there it is. Another very much appreciated stop in the many trails of Dino DeVilla. We may have to stop and change batteries. Looks like the batteries are getting a little low. The Hop Hollow Underground Railroad stop on the Dino DeVilla Trails from Unknown will always be remembered as a wonderful and extremely hot place. Thank you for enjoying it with me. And hopefully the rest of it will continue as wonderfully and beautifully as this one has been. Okay, stop with Camel.